What's up, North Texas barbecue addicts? It's me, Kenneth. I know it's been a little bit since I posted a video on YouTube, but we've got some backstrap, we've got some shrimp from Six Brothers Beef Company, some other goodies we're gonna throw on a skewer, and I got my barbecue brother cooking with Kunchi, so what better reason to break out the first YouTube video in a long time for this cook right here.
Yeah, man, so we're out here in the land of barbecue, and you see all the pits behind us and all of that. Today we're gonna rock on the Weber kettle because that's the OG. We got a 1974 kettle here that we're gonna cook up something delicious. So come on, let's do it.
If y'all like kebabs, y'all stick around. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and let's get to it. So we just got these potatoes seasoned up. Add some olive oil and some of CookinWidKunchi's Tropical Zinger. Look at that back strap right there. Shout out to the stringers for hooking that up. So we're gonna get that cubed up and put some flavor on it and get some kebabs going. What do you think?
This is gonna be awesome, bro.
It's a good Sunday.
Yep.
Y'all stick around. So Kunchi's about to cube up this back strap right here for the kebabs. Check that out.
So we're gonna cube up this piece of venison here. We're doing some different kind of kebabs, right? We're not doing the sausage and all of that stuff. We're gonna use some venison, and we got a special little glaze that we're gonna whip up. We got some mango, ginger powder, and we're gonna use the Tropical Zinger to bring out a tropical flavor on these. So stay tuned.
Man, that's gonna be good. Alright, y'all, we do want to point out on backstrap and then on several cuts of meat that sometimes the silver skin or like a tendon or something like that does run through your cut of meat. So you want to trim that up and get that prepped a little bit before we cook it. We're cooking more so hot and fast, and we're just going to keep flipping it. But Kunchi's getting that prepped up. Smelling good outside here. Hopefully y'all are doing good. So yeah, we're going to get that off right there. It's just gonna make for a better overall bite. Got these cubed up. Cube them up how you want to according to what skewers you're using. Yeah, we're gonna get a little seasoning on there. Using the Tropical Zinger. I'll have the information down below in the description box. Yeah, Tropical Zinger, guys. Y'all check it out. It's gonna be a accent of flavor on everything we're cooking today. Smelling good. Alright guys, this video is laid back. We're chilling, cooking up some venison kebabs. You want to show them what we're about to sprinkle on the shrimp?
That's what we got. So we got some ginger and mango, dehydrated, ground up, and the Tropical Zinger. So the Tropical Zinger is a citrusy, spicy blend. The mango and the ginger is just gonna further accentuate that tropical flavor that we're going for on here. So
it's gonna make it pop. So we got this wild caught shrimp from Six Brothers. We're putting a little ginger and mango on here. Shout out to Queen G for hooking this up. This is gonna be good, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all stick around. We got the skewers all put together. Check out that back strap, those potatoes, the wild caught shrimp from Six Brothers. That's a thing of beauty. We're gonna be rolling on the vintage Weber kettle. We'll get these bad boys on in a second. All right guys, check those bad boys out. It's already looking good. We're gonna get them onto the kettle. I'm gonna put two of these bad boys on, show y'all what it looks like. We're gonna start them out as close. We got a few of them, so we're gonna start them out as close to the fire as we can. But we're gonna get the rest of these on the Weber, and we'll show you what it looks like, and we'll get to cooking. What you whipping up, Kunchi?
So we got this mango powder. We're gonna get this in here. I'm excited to get a lot of this mango flavor. Right, so we want a little bit of that sweetness, and then we're gonna hit it with some ginger. This is homemade ginger, guys, so this is potent. We're not using a lot. All right, and then some of that Tropical Zinger.
Yep. Got a nice little formula happening here, y'all.
Yeah, oh yeah. And guess what? That good old raw honey. Okay. We're gonna get this inside the grill. It's gonna meld together, and it's also gonna get a little bit of that smokiness. So we're gonna brush these on those skewers here in a little bit. I'm pumped for this because that mango, man.
That's good stuff. This is gonna be good. Alright guys, so we just put something on the kettle I wanted to show you. Kunchi whipped this up with a lot of good flavors. We got some fresh dehydrated ginger and mango powder in there with some honey and a little splash of beer. You know, I'm sipping a beer, the honey should sip a beer. And this is what the kebabs are looking like right now. And the cool thing about this kettle, I couldn't tell you what temperature we're cooking at. So y'all just stick around and we'll show you what it looks like here in about 15 minutes or so. Later. Alright guys, we've been rolling for like 10 or 12 minutes on the kettle. If I had to guess, somewhere around 275, 300 degrees. Oh man, stuff's starting to pull up some juices. Those shrimp are looking good. We're really worried about just making sure nothing is crazy overcooked. The good thing when you do kebabs is all those juices from everything just go right into each other. So as long as you keep an eye on it, it'll be good for you. Check out that glaze. I think we can still leave it where we're at. Probably check on it in 15 minutes. We'll see y'all then. Alright guys, we're like 15 minutes into this cook. It's smelling awesome. We're chilling. The Texas Rangers are about to come on in about 10 minutes. So what do you think about this cook so far, Kunchi?
This is super simple. Just easy, just chilling with the bros. Not thinking about a recipe. We just got some stuff and we're like, bro, let's cook these together today, right? We don't know how it's gonna be, but we don't care.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Just let it go, man.
We've got some good flavors in the mix. We've got some backstrap in the mix. And we've got some wild caught shrimp from Six Brothers Beef Company. I don't think it can go bad. So
how bad could we gonna eat it?
We're gonna eat good. Y'all stick around. All right, guys. So we've been rolling for like 20, 25 minutes on here. We've got our sauce that we're gonna glaze these bad boys with up here in just a little bit. I wanted to show you what this is looking like. Get that. Check that out. Got a nice color on it. I'll go ahead and get those flipped around. Check out this glaze right here. It's smelling awesome. What do you think, Kunchi?
I think that is right there, man. We are ready to start brushing it on here pretty soon.
Yeah. Like I said, we're gonna flip this one over too. Got nice juices rolling, those potatoes, the shrimp, and glaze it with this. So next time I see y'all, we're gonna give them a try. All right, guys, we've probably been cooking for about 25 minutes at most. Kunchi just glazed up the first side of the kebabs there. It's smelling awesome. We've just been chilling all day, so this is just a relaxed, laid-back cook. You can put whatever you want on your skewers. We've got venison, wild-caught shrimp, and some potatoes with all the good flavors we mixed up. What's it smelling like, bro?
Let's show them. Let's show them.
Show them what
real tropical back here.
Let's show them what it's looking like. All right, so the kettle's rolling. Looking beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and flip all these over. We've got a lower heat because our coals are burning out, so that's perfect just to set them right over there. Let those juices drip on top. We're gonna close this sucker down for about 5 minutes and then let them rest for 5 more, and we'll give them a taste. We got kebabs, guys. Got that glaze on them. I mean, we weren't really worried about it, but I'd say these cooked for about 30 minutes or so. Look at that color on the venison, and the shrimp, the potatoes, all the flavor. Let's see how we did, bro. I really taste that ginger. the mango and that glaze and the honey. That venison's insane. Your Tropical Zinger just really made all those other fresh ingredients pop a little bit more. This was the winner right here. Appreciate y'all for hanging out with us. We're just chilling on a Sunday fun day. Hopefully y'all did too. If you haven't already, liked and subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do it. Until next time, peace. Y'all keep on barbecuing.